Now you can see that the locking face is at enough of an angle that it has a hooking action which draws the bearing in instead of pushing it out. This is the top one. And the bottom one will do the same thing. However, at this point, the bottom bearing should be able to move its way up onto the impulse face, but it can't, and I'll show you why. So right now the lower bearing is trying to roll onto the impulse face, but it can't because the upper bearing can't go in. Now if the length of the tooth, or the length rather of the impulse face was shorter, then the lower bearing would be able to ride up onto the impulse face, and this bearing could drop in. So what I'm going to have to do is take about a 1/16 of an inch off of each one of these teeth. Just shorten this distance from here to here by about we'll try a 1/16 of an inch at first. And if that's not enough, then I'll do a little bit more. So now what I have to do is make up a jig so that I can use my bandsaw and cut in at the same angle as the locking face, and it doesn't even have to go all the way into the wheel, although it'd probably be nice. Anyway, makes life interesting.